All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are out at our local Southern Maryland Cars and Coffee. As you can see here, this is a local event that happens every other week. But this guy here, it is the Warthog build on Facebook. The owner's actually over here in the yellow shirt. This is a full custom build of a Halo 3 Warthog. As you can see though, it looks amazing. This is based off of a 1994 Ford F-250, just for the guts. Everything else is custom, frame is custom, everything built on it. This was all built out of aluminum and steel, custom. This is almost a 100% recreation of a Halo 3 Warthog, as you can see here, with some nice spacers on here, but every detail is on here. I mean, even the little gap on here with the UNSC logo, the step, all the body lines are amazing on this. Even the Gauss turret here looks fantastic. Everything about this was full custom built with just a lot of love involved with this. And I want to give 100% credit to the Warthog build. I am just recording this because it is just such a great thing. As you can see here, inside all custom, looks just like a real Halo Warthog. The only thing is the steering wheel, obviously, again, out of the 1999 or 1994 Ford F-250, but otherwise everything else on this is custom. As you can see here, these are on, I want to say these are 40-inch Super Swampers, but it does ride on an air ride system. And you can see there, nice air ride system. And then of course, the license plate being a Puma, if you get the reference, it is amazing. And then again, look at this Gauss turret, man. The turret is just, everything about this thing, nice. As you can see here, it does bring a large crowd. A lot of people love this build. It gets a lot of people talking, especially if you don't know about Halo. But honestly, in my opinion, this is honestly the best recreation of the Halo Warthog that I have seen, especially in Southern Maryland of all places. But again, you can follow this guy on Facebook on the Warthog build. I will link a link to the Facebook page in the description, but I just had to show everything about this because it is just amazing. So a little bit of background on this build. He said he has been building this for about 10 years and it is finally coming to its final stages here. And he is working on getting it road legal. So you may see this rolling down the road here soon in Southern Maryland, which would be amazing to see. A full Halo 3 Warthog rolling down the street. That'd be the coolest thing. Here is the base of the turret as well, up into the turret. Gauss turret looking amazing. He's got these braces on here for transporting purposes, but it is also 100%. Looks amazing. Got the owner here getting the inside turned on just so we can see what it looks like with all of the instrument panel on. As you can see, oh, this...
It's better when there's actually something going on it.
Oh, this is so much better than I expected. Like, you got the screen on here at the back.
So you can see the dashboard.
And then obviously all of the interior here. This is the coolest recreation I've ever seen. This is honestly such immaculate craftsmanship that is built into this. And so now he's got it running, so you can at least hear it. So it does at least have the beefiness.
The electric compressor.
Good old red versus blue Puma.
We got this electric compressor on it.
So at least it sounds good, I'll give it that. It doesn't sound like a, you know, a Prius. But again, here you go. We got the screen again and the dashboard. Kind of hard to see with the LED, but this thing, fully amazing. So again, I really just wanted to film this for him just so everybody can really experience this thing. It's just amazing. I want more people to understand the amount of work and like craftsmanship that went into this. This is just so good looking. So thank you guys for watching, and I will add a couple pictures that are better about this at the end of this. So thank you guys for watching, and catch you in the next one.